Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Moderoid which came from the anime series Shinkalion. So I have here Dr. Yellow, one of the main or one of the protagonists from that series. To be honest, I did not watch this anime series because it's very childish and I think this is meant for a child or a kid, this anime. But what fascinates me is they have these model kits or mecha models that transform from a train or a bullet train into a robot. So I'm very happy to have one of those, which is the Dr. Yellow, because to be honest, I hate the designs of the protagonist kits because they are short and they look small. Unlike this Dr. Yellow, it's a little large or larger than those model kit. So this stands around 18 centimeters and it can be paired with your master grade Gundam kits. So let's check this kit out and let's see what's inside this Dr. Yellow from anime series Shinkalion. So the box art here shows Dr. Yellow having the pose of same like Tosho Daimos. So it's like a super robot genre, to be honest, because this kit is I don't know what exactly the kind of genre is this, because it looks like a child anime that has super robots that transforms from train to humanoid mecha like this, and they are to save the world from aliens, something like that. To be honest, I'm not interested with that anime, this Shinkalion. I'm just fascinated by this Dr. Yellow, which is really a color yellow from the name itself, and it looks unique. So I bought this. So at the back of the box, we can see Dr. Yellow posing like Tosho Daimos, and this is the rear view of the kit. You can also see some pre-painted parts here from the runners and interchangeable face from the kit. It can hold a shooting weapon and melee weird looking weapon. To be honest, it sucks. The weapon itself looks garbage to me, and maybe I will not use these weapons for this kit because it doesn't look good. Anyway, if we open the box here, which I did a while ago, so we can see here the instruction manual. So the manual here is wrapped in plastic together with the stickers. So there's the stickers. So this kit is relying heavily on stickers for its color correcting pattern. It feels so boring to have much stickers in the kit. Anyway, let's skip this first. Let's go to the manual itself. So the manual here shows Shinkalion, same picture from the box art, and there you go. You can see all the yellows, all are yellow here, and these are the correcting pattern for the sticker placement. And we can see parts list here. So these are the shaded yellow part here are those parts that are pre-painted. Then we can see here how to assemble the kit. So as usual, Moderoid has a color printout for their manuals. Very nice looking. So judging by the way it looks, the kit is not complicated. Maybe I can finish this within 2 hours if I'm on my mood of building this quickly. And there we can see some what do you call this? This one is detached from the main manual. I don't know why it's detached from the main manual. Okay, because the first part are for the torso and the legs, but this time I think this one for the arms and lower extremities. That is why. So it's very simple. The kit is simple, it's not complicated, and I think we can build this within 2 hours, as I said. So we have here gray parts for the inner frames, for the hands, and I think this one for the guns, not the inner frame. We have yellow parts, yellow with pre-painted parts there, or pre-painted color, and we have clear blue parts here for the guns and weapon, the weird looking gun and melee weapon, or which turn to a melee weapon. So there are gray parts again here for the inner frame parts, and of course, since this is Dr. Yellow, the color primarily is yellow. So we have here yellow colored runners with some pre-painted aspect for the head. And there we have here another yellow colored runners for the head. I think this one for the train head or train canopy. But unfortunately, this kit doesn't transform into a train. It's only a humanoid mecha mode. So if you want transforming kits, you cannot expect this from this kit. And we have here black runners for the joints and inner frame parts. And finally, this pack, I think this one for the torso, the kit's torso. So let's open the packs and let's review before we build this. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So it's just funny that yellow is not the majority piece here in this kit, since although the name itself is Dr. Yellow, but yellow is only for the armor pieces. So most part of this kit, or most color of this kit, are black and gray runner. So for the yellow runner, we have here runner C. So these are runner C for the armor pieces or armor frame. We have here runner A with a pre-painted color on the head and on this part. I don't know which part is this. And we have here runner B and runner E. So runner E has much pre-painted color parts on it. Okay. Then we have runner D also with some pre-painted parts there, or paint there. I don't know which part is this. Then let's go to the gray parts. We have the manipulator parts and the cannon parts here. So these are all gray parts. So the hands here are quite large, and the holding hand here is very small. That's a weird looking aspect. The hand becomes like this, it will turn into a big hand. Very weird. And these are the holding hands, small holding hands for this kit. So you cannot use these big hands as hand that can hold weapon. So it's not. You will use this small one, this one. So then there's this other shade of gray here. I don't know which part is this, but I think this is pre-painted also. So this is sprayed paint, different color of gray. And There we have here swappable faces for the kit. So there's this without the lens, only the pre-painted eyes, and there's the other one here with the pre-painted face, I think. Where's that part? I think anyway, let's look at this later. This one. So we have here the pre-painted face with the visor there, and then there's this pre-painted face again, but only the eyes. So this one for the visor, this one for the eyes. And let's go to the final pieces, which are in black color. So we have here runner eye for the black color with pre-painted part there for the feet, and then we have runner F for the inner frame of the body. So these are for the torso parts. We have here joint parts, black color, runner N. We have runner T for joint parts again, mostly joint parts. Runner G for inner frame parts. And finally, we have here runner H again for the inner frame parts. So again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Let's build this Shinkalion Dr. Yellow once and for all, and let's see what it will appear afterwards, and wait for my review on the articulations for this kit. So again, have fun and build this Shinkalion, and see you next time.